guys, welcome back to Kirshner Farmstead, and today we're going to be making kinetic sand. So we're going to start with 2.5 cups of sand and 1.5 cup of cornstarch. And now we're going to mix this. So we have to get this fully combined. Now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of oil. You can pick whatever food coloring you want. I picked blue. We had to strain this out twice. You should use the finest sand that you can find. And now we're gonna mix this up. Okay, you're gonna mix it up with your hands and get the food coloring fully mixed in. Okay, I hope you guys liked this video, and please like and subscribe, and make this for yourself. Bye guys.